Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post a free ad on Dubizzle. Once you're logged into your Dubizzle account, you just come to the top right, you click on place your ad, and then here you need to pick a category. You also need to adhere to these guidelines because users can actually publish 5 free ads in all categories every 30 days, except in these ones right here where users only have 2 free ads every 30 days. And if you're trying to do this in properties, cars for sale, and job categories as well, you cannot post free ads. So as long as your ad is not going to fall under these categories and you adhere to these guidelines, you can post your free ad. Pick the right category so the ad actually reaches their intended people. I'll click here on classifieds, and you can either sell with AI, where you simply take a photo or upload your image and the AI will take care of the rest of the listing for you. Or you can do a classic ad post where you enter all the details yourself, which is what I'll go ahead and do. First, you just go ahead and enter a short title that describes your listing. Make sure it is informative and attractive as well. So I'll do a bike right here. We'll click on let's go. And then we need to pick a category for our ad. So as you can see, it has picked up these different categories. I'll do this one, sports equipment, and then cycling. And then it will ask you to choose the right category for your ad. So you can come here and I'll pick mountain bikes. And then we need to add pictures. So I'll come here, click on this, click on a bicycle. This is our folder. I'll just go ahead and highlight all of these images, and then you just click on open. And once these images have uploaded, you can go ahead and set your main photo. So as you can see, my main photo is this one. Make sure you choose the correct one that attracts people. So if you go ahead and drag this to the top, this will actually become the main photo. You can drag this to the bottom as well. So as you can see, I'll leave this one to be the main photo, and then we'll come here, scroll down, and fill in other details. Of course, you can adjust the order as you would like. Then you enter your contact number if you want. Then we just enter the price as well. I'll do 1,500 dirhams for this one. Then you give a description with keywords. Give as much information as possible, and if there's any upgrades, go ahead and mention that. If there's any issues with that specific item, mention that. Be transparent. And then come here, enter the age. So this one is about 6 to 12 months. Usage, light usage. Condition is excellent. And then you need to set a location. So I'll come here and do Madan right there. Let's search for that, and Dubai. And you can also enter a building or street name. That's completely optional. And then you just come here and label your location. I'll label that as home, and then we'll click here on next. Then all you need to do is go ahead and enter your phone number, verify that, right? They'll send you a verification code. You send that verification code over, enter that here, and you will have your free ad. And that is how to post a free ad on Dubizzle.